to show you how to set up virtual radar server for a Windows computer, which is everything should be pretty much the same for other operating systems. So just go to their website here, virtualradar.cu.uk, click on download. And we're just going to download the Windows installer, which I already have. Then for Linux and stuff, you can just click on this and follow the mono instructions there. So once you have it installed, we're going to go ahead and fire it up. So we'll click on Virtual Radar. So once it's up, obviously you won't see this or anything like that because I already have this set up. So first thing you need to do is go up here and click on Tools, then Options. So we got to set up some receivers here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus here, the little green plus. Then you're going to add a new receiver. So as you can see, I named mine ADSB and MLAT because I only have one Raspberry Pi that has FlightAware installed and Dump1090. So you can name this one, you know, like I did. Makes it a little easier to separate the difference here. So once you have that receiver, name it whatever you like, make sure it's enabled. Then you'll want to click AVR, then beast mode. Your location, we'll get to that. Network, normal. Then here's where you'll put the IP address of the Pi or whatever you're using. Then the port. So for example, I'll just pull this back up that has mine here. So I have my IP address of my Pi, then port 30005 for ADSB. Then you can always just test it, and if it comes back like that, you should be good to go. So what you need to do then is click on up here again, add another one, and we'll just name this one MLAT. We'll select the same type here for format, normal, network, same IP address, different port, 30105. You can test the connection. Yep, looks good. Then we need to go under merge feeds. Then what you'll want to do is click on the plus. Then that'll come up like this. And what you'll want to do is highlight both of these, check mark both of these like that. Then what we'll do is we'll highlight the MLAT one. Then we'll check MLAT down here. And you can rename this whatever you like. I just left it go as mine just says merge feed. So this is how it should look. Then after that, what we can do is your receiver location. I just did mine on the map itself, so I didn't add it in here, but you can name it whatever you like, put in there, which I'll probably do that, but I'll do that off camera. Since that's that one. Then up here, we could just change these to merge feed. Then If everything goes good, it should look something like this, depending on how many you're tracking or whatnot. So what we can do is change this to desktop. Then I'm just going to right click on this and copy, because I use Chrome and not Internet Explorer or Edge or whatever. So this might take a few seconds for it to come up. So once it's up, as you can see, we have this up and running. So first thing you need to do is go up here, click on the map here, whatever, if you're English, whatever, go from there. United States, whatever you are, have that set up. Then we'll go under options. Then first thing we could do is have this set on merge feed. Then however you like it down here, they got different things that you can set it to. So whatever floats your boat. This is all kind of, you know, whatever you like to do, trial and error type stuff. You can change the colors. You can add and subtract the circles. Like I said, I still gotta set my location and stuff, so it's not right. But then down here, I always like selecting this so you can get the little line trails from all the aircraft. Then you can either do one of these three if you like. Then for the list is over here, what it'll show here. So if you want to add or delete stuff, you can. So if you want to delete route, you can. Then once you're done, just hit the lock again. For the aircraft over here, this section will be this section right here. No, I'm wrong. Sorry. I got that backwards. This here is this section here. Then the aircraft details will be up here. Sorry about that. But same thing. Click on the lock. You can delete. Say you want to delete that one and that. Just hit OK. Just hit the lock again. Then another thing you need to do is once you get all that done, click on menu, receiver, then make sure this merge feed is selected. The nice thing about it is if you only want to show MLAT, you could just show MLAT or ADSB or both. Then if you want to pull reports, you can do the layout different, however you like to do it. I always just mainly run it the classic. Then however you like that, and the distance in between the rings. Trying to think here if there's anything else. The plugins, you can download the plugins off their website. whatever plugins you would like. I have, as you can see, the flags in the other row. If you go under tools, options, they're right here. I have folders of these. They're on my Facebook group under the file section. I can post a link in the description for it. And then you can download them from there. Just join my group or whatever. It's ADSB. I'm sure some of you guys are already members, but they're under the file section. And then you could just add them. That's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to it. Now once you set your location, you can come back in here and select on whatever you named that location. If you just left it location or you named it home or whatever, you can come back in here and do that. So like I said, I got to set my location because it's off. So but other than that, that's about it. So you can take it offline up here and put it back online. So alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped kind of how to set it up. And I'll post the links in the description. Thanks for watching.